Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb in a Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your tools, which typically include an 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver, and a new headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely to avoid any burns. Locate the headlight assembly in the engine bay, usually near the front of the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the bulb, you will need to remove the three 8mm bolts located at the top of the headlight assembly. Once these bolts are out, the entire light assembly should slide right forward. In the back, you'll find small red safety tabs on the electrical harnesses. Pull these back. Then, press on the tabs of the connectors to release and disconnect them from the assembly. Handle these connections gently to avoid damage. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Twist the bulb sockets counterclockwise to unlock them from the headlight housing, then carefully pull the old bulb free. When handling the new bulb, it is crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into its socket, ensuring it's seated correctly, and then twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Before you finish up, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Now, reconnect the electrical wiring harnesses to the new bulb, ensuring they click securely into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its housing, making sure all tabs align. Reinstall the three 8mm bolts you removed earlier to secure the assembly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working correctly and properly aimed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.